Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing permissions and pinpointing candidate locations. This avoids wasted site visits. Use a map or app to confirm line of sight to your target area and mark distances and azimuths. Once done, verify power and mounting feasibility. Does the roof support a pole, and is there 120V or 48V DC nearby? Also confirm basic fiber or backhaul access possibilities. These steps set an efficient foundation, so your next actions focus on equipment and alignment. You now perform a physical survey. Walk the roof, measure heights, and photograph sightlines. Use a clinometer to confirm tilt. Based on distance and throughput needs, choose radios and antenna types, higher gain for longer links, dual polarized for reliability. Then plan frequency and channel usage to avoid interference and calculate Fresnel zone clearance so the beam remains unobstructed. Once these choices are documented, prepare parts list and tower/mast specifications so installation proceeds without surprises. You install hardware following your mounting plan, sealing and grounding all cables, safety first. Then power up and align the antenna while watching signal strength and SNR. Small adjustments often yield big gains. Once aligned, run throughput and latency tests, verify stable margins, and enable remote monitoring and alerts. If problems occur, check grounding, connectors, and Fresnel obstructions first. A temporary misalignment or loose connector is the most common fault. Swap cables before replacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.